Hello, welcome back to Bluecrest College. Today we are going to see the networking live network with the configuration of router. So you can see behind my desk the switches is running and the network is running on. We have a router over here and devices are here. So it will be shown you that how to configure the router and switches. So today's session will be regarding the configuration of router, which we will configure the telnet also. So telnet is basically the remote console of router through which we can take the control or we can configure the router, we can manage the router from the remote location. So I have a routers, I have a switch, I have a PC, I have a network devices. Okay, so we'll take a tour of network where we will configure our router from locally as well as the remotely. So now we are going to start our router and you will see that it will be blower will be startup and it will start the booting of router. So we will start up the router. So you can see here is the switch. We will on my router. It has started my routers. It has connected with the console cable. We have also configured it with the network cable from the back, which is connected to the switch, and we have already shown you that it was connected to the switch earlier and it is in the live network. So it is going to connect to the PC, that is this is local administrative port. You can see that this local administrative port is going to connect the router via console cable. So it is been going to configure the router locally, that is the IP address has to be configured to the system, and it is been taking the console and it will be having the console of router and configuration will be there. So now we are going to configure the router. So you can see this is the interface of the system which is connected to the router. So you can see the IP has been set to the local administrative port. The router is connected to that. So router will provide the IP address of gateway 192.168.20.1 and the system IP is 192.168.20.2 with the subnet mask of class C, that is 255.255.255.0. So we have configured the local IP address to the systems, that network interface card to the computer, and we have connected to the router, that is to the gateway, that is 192.168.20.1. So we will configure the router via emulator, that is the application which is installed in my computer. So you can see that here is the Ethernet configuration. We will connect the emulator application. So this is the emulator application through which we will take the system connect. So we will check that port. So we have connected the port. So we will go to the device manager and we will check the port of the remote local administrative port. So it is been connected with the COM port and we have communication port, that is 3 port. Okay, COM 3 port. So we will put here in the emulator application, we will put to the serial, and instead of COM1 we will put COM3. And you can see the baud rate of speed is 9600, it is a default speed. So we will put the appearance, we will put some font bigger so that you can see. So we will connect the router now. You can see this is the router which is already booted here. So if I see this is the router which we are getting over here. So we will say the configuration no. So router is getting booted over here and you can see that the commands are running over here. So this is so you can see that the prompt is greater than sign. This means it is a user interface of router. So if we want to check the commands over here, we can check through the commands and we can see whole lot of commands are there which can be configured to the router. So but when we change the command, so here we will change the prompt. So when we say that enable, so it will change the prompt to the privilege mode. So you can see that prompt has been changed from greater than symbol to the hash prompt, hashtag prompt. So hashtag prompt, here we will configure the IP address. So we will go to the global configuration mode. For that, config terminal. So when we come here, this is global configuration mode, and here we will name the host name of the router. We will say host name Bluecrest. So you can see that the host name has changed from router to Bluecrest, and we will configure now the interface IP of the router. So we will move to interface fast Ethernet 0/0 port. We will configure the IP address 192.168.20.1, and we'll put the subnet mask of class C, that is 255.255.255.0. We'll exit the port and we'll check that whether we have configured or not. So do show IP interface brief, and we'll see that one IP has been assigned to the fast Ethernet port. You can see it has been already taken. So we have seen that how that configuration of router interface, that is we have configured the network interface of router with the IP address 192.168.20.1, and we have seen that it has been configured with the interface port, the network interface card, the IP address, and we communicate with the system. So this is how it is been connected and configured for the router. Next session we will again come up with the telnet configuration, how to take a remote console via remote location. That we will see in the next session. So hope you have understand how to configure the router, and thank you very much. If you want to fill these routers, switches, devices, if you want to configure these things, please visit Bluecrest College, 77 Wilkinson Road. Thank you.